So I just gave my life to Jesus. I'm trying to do this Jesus thing, but it is hard. What am I doing wrong? Well, the problem is at baptism, you died to your old self and you became alive in Christ, but you're still putting the bad fuel in. All the stuff that is about building me up and my happiness and my joy and my life and my family. Instead, we need to start putting on things that are of Jesus. We start fueling the new machine, the new person with new fuel. And this comes through grace. It comes from fruit of the Spirit. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness. As I am living those things out, it is the fuel that goes up in the branches that comes out and allows us to put off the right fruit. Who am I supposed to love? How am I supposed to love them? Who am I supposed to be kind to and peaceful to? I hope this helps you guys out. I hope this helps you understand why you're still struggling in your faith. If you're in Greensboro, North Carolina, you come check me out, Catalyst Church NC.